welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about JQ functions. So, JQ has many powerful built-in functions. Out of them, the major are like the keys, length, min, max, reverse, sort, unique, delete, right? So we'll get to know, right, what these functions are, how these actually works. Just one caveat to here is we should not apply dot before functions. So in JQ, dot is said as identifier, right? So keys, these functions, lengths, whatever they are, right? These functions don't need an identifier to be placed, right? So that's the thing we should not be having. So let us see with a real example. I have taken one file called jqworking01json. Let me read out the content of the file. Okay, great. Now, if I want to understand how many keys does it have, I'll be using the keys function. Now, you can notice here that I am not getting these keys, for example, right? The reason being, this is the key and this is the value. The value is in an array, right? So if I want the keys of say this value, if I want the value of this key, right, then I should be going inside this array and then get the key. Now we already know how to get inside this array, right? Let me just try. See, we can get inside this array. Now we know already that how to remove this array braces, right? Simple. Now on top of it, if I want to get the length, right, of the keys, or if I want to just get the keys actually, how many keys are there? I can see there are two keys, AWS access keys and remote threads, right? So that's about the keys, right? But how about the length? Okay. So the same example, if I go and say example, I want to know this length of the title, which is iPhone 1, right? So iPhone 9, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this space 7 and 8, right? So it should be the value of the key called title is 8, right? Let me check if I can get that in the length function. So if I want to get the title, yes, I get the iPhone 9. However, I want the length of it. Yes, it is 8, right? So this is about the length of the length function in JQ, right? How about the so for min and max, right? Let me just take like this way. So let me take an array. Okay. And I want to know, say first the maximum, which is in this case is 9, right? Yep. If I take a value of the mean, right, it gives me 1, which is true, right? Similarly, there are other functions which are called, say, sorting. Here I have a sort, right? The 2 value should be come to the first because 1, 4, 7, 2, 9, right? So it should be making a sort form. Yep. And if I want to make it unique, right? So let me apply one more 2 here. So that means I should, remove that duplicate 2. Right. So this is like the unique function. Now there is one more function which is called delete, right? For this, let me take the same example of JQ working. This example, I want to delete this key called price, which is 549, right? How would I do that? It's simple. JQ working, the file name, and on top of it, I will be applying the delete function. The delete function works in a little different way. Delete function expects a delete keyword at the first, and then the key name, right? So if I use this key, price, right, and if I print, you can see that in earlier place we have the price for $549 probably, and that key is not here right now, right? So this is about the functions of JQ. I hope this video is informative